a celebration of academic excellence, an acknowledgement of the role played by the Social Security grant, and making it through against all odds. Learners from impoverished backgrounds were awarded for their excellence in the 2025 matric results. These learners say the grant is not just figures, but a fuel that carried them through hard times.
I was able to use that social grant to buy some data to be able to do online research. I was also able to use the money from social grants to get resources for studying and being able to excel in my academics.
In the Eastern Cape, 15.3% of those who sat for the 2025 matric exams are social grant beneficiaries. Awonge Makeche from Dabezulu Senior Secondary School in Bizana, a foster care child, says she worked beyond her limits to obtain 93% in mathematics, 88% in physical sciences, and 94% in agricultural sciences, among others.
Okay, I lost my parents when I was 5 and 8. So in 2017, I started receiving foster care. Foster care incedisile kakhulu, like for izinto ezifana ne-needs. Even though ngelo xesha I was like stressed, frustrated, questioning why mna and all of that, but at least financially everything was well. And also umakhulu wami, I've seen her struggle a lot ngokusikhulisa, but akakazange give up. Otherwise, foster care, I'm clocking it for it.
Awonge's grandmother says she appreciates the help from social development.
Isihlangu, i-uniform, ntoni ndakwazi ukuxhumanisa ngoba kho umuntu asebenzayo nasendlini sidle nabantwana baye ezindaweni abafuneka kuzo kangangoba awongesevela nase-Joburg ehamba into zesikolo waya nasekhathikhathi ehamba into zesikolo ndibhatanisa ndifuna isuitcase zobafaka impahla siya kwezi ndawo sihlanganise nomntwana ahambe ncedise kakhulu mna usasa ngoba uba kungekho yena ndiyabona uba ngabehleli nje bezinto zokuzula elalini.
The minister responsible for social development, Sisisi Tolashe, says they are acknowledging these learners because they know the hardships they had to endure.
We are celebrating the fact that they received one of our grants. They were really encouraged to be in school in assistance of their parents or caregivers. They walked through, some of them, or majority of them, are staying far from schools, as you know. For instance, the Eastern Cape is quite a vast province, and some of them had to walk longer distance to get to school.
Tolashe says they will be strengthening their relationship with the National Financial Aid Scheme to ensure that beneficiaries are looked after even in tertiary institutions. I am Yamkela Mchiyo for MPK News, Kukompo City.